Hello traders! In this video, I will walk you through the process of creating a chart window template in NinjaTrader 8. Using templates allows you to quickly load all your preferred visual settings, indicators, and tools, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your charts. This is especially useful if you use multiple setups for different trading strategies. Let's get started. Step 1. Configuring the chart. The first step is to open a new chart. To do this, go to the Control Center, click on New, and select Chart. Choose the instrument you want to trade, such as the S&P 500 Futures, ES, or NASDAQ 100 Futures, NQ. Once the chart is open, adjust the settings to fit your preferences. This includes selecting the right color scheme, modifying the candle styles, and adding any indicators or drawing tools you need. You can also configure other properties, such as grid visibility and price levels, to match your trading workflow. Step 2. Saving the template. After setting up the chart, it's time to save your configuration as a template. Right-click anywhere on the chart, select Templates Save As, and enter a descriptive name for your template, such as My Trading Setup or Scalping Strategy. Click Save, and your template will be stored for future use. Step 3. Applying a template to a new chart. Now that the template is saved, you can apply it whenever you create a new chart. When opening a new chart window, you will see a Template drop-down menu on the right side of the Setup window. Select your saved template from the list, and all settings, including your indicators and drawing tools, will be applied automatically. This feature is especially useful when switching between different trading strategies, as it allows you to load predefined configurations instantly. Step 4. Setting a default time frame. It's important to note that the time frame settings are not included in the chart template, and must be saved separately. To set a default time frame, open the chart properties, navigate to the Time Frame section, and adjust the settings to your preferred values. At the bottom of the window, click Save Preset, which will ensure that your chosen time frame is automatically applied whenever you open a new chart. This step is crucial for maintaining consistency in your market analysis. By using chart templates in NinjaTrader 8, you can streamline your workflow and reduce the time spent on setting up charts manually. Whether you trade intraday, swing trade, or use different indicators for various strategies, having predefined templates will help you stay organized and focused on your trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more NinjaTrader tips and tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section, and I'll be happy to help.